How to get off Instacart waitlist. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your preferred browser and search for the official Instacart website, and you simply need to make sure to log in on Instacart. So let's tap on the link and sign in. If you haven't yet created an account, tap sign up and create one. Then after that, you will land on this kind of interface where you can easily start 14-day free trial. Now simply, you have to visit the Instacart Help Center. For that, tap three-line icon at top left corner, scroll down, and here you will see support. Tap on Help Center. And from this page, you can easily connect with Instacart and then reach out the support team and let them know about the waitlist issue. You need to make sure that you provide details such as your account information and location and ask for guidance on how to proceed and when you can expect to get off the waitlist. If needed, you can follow with your support team to get updates on your status. So that's it for today. You need to note that you have to be patient because waitlists are often based on location demand, so it may take time to get approved. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.